guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Gladys and I'm so excited. I finally have my first video. If you want to watch how I achieve this summery, bronzy, glowy makeup look, just keep on watching. We're gonna start with the eyebrows. Okay, I'm using the e.l.f. brow pencil in dark brown. Done and one more to go. We're trying to, just to clean our eyebrows. I'm just gonna use the rest of the concealer that is still in the brush just to clean up the edges. My brows are done. We are just gonna put some gel. I already prepped my skin because during summer you need to protect your skin 100%. I'm gonna use this rub cream in Gold Light. I decided to buy this one because I saw Desi Perkins, braving about this, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have. If you want to really achieve, that glowy kind of look, go with this. I have some breakups right now over here. We're not gonna put too much concealer, just enough to don't show these imperfections. Try to be gentle with your brush because the only thing that you're trying to do here is just to blend around, not to move the product away, because if you do that, you're not actually covering anything up. Now that we are set, we're gonna use the Lancome Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow. And this is actually my favorite. This is the third one that I have. And I got it in 04 and Sand. It comes in a little pump. So we are just gonna take the same brush and just put a pump and a half. My Real Technique sponge, it's already damp. We are just gonna try to blend this out. We're gonna use the KKW Beauty contour stick. I like to use the lighter shade for the nose. So now we're gonna use the darker shade just to give it a little of depth on my cheeks. Now we're gonna use the same brush. I don't know, I got the idea if whatever it's left on the brush is gonna help you to blend. That's what we're trying to do over here. You see how easy that was? Now we're gonna set. And for that, we're gonna use the loose setting powder Laura Mercier. If you're looking for something more affordable price, you can use the Airspun one that it's neutral. That is a good one too. We're gonna just finish the rest of the face with bronzer powder, highlighter, and blush. We are gonna bronze, and for that I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but I wish you can smell it. It smells like a piña colada, you know. I love it. Now that we are done with that, I'm gonna use the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette. We're gonna take the blush. Remember to tap. You don't want to look like a clown. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Dose of Color Chasing the Sun, Desi Perkins and Katie. And for the brush, we're gonna use the Morphe M501. It looks like a sun kiss on your cheek. That's what I love this highlighter. So now that we're done with the face, we're gonna do the eyes. And for that, we are gonna use the Pure Cosmetics palette. It's this one. I really like the color range in this palette because it's pretty neutral and warm tones, and you know, you can get simple eye looks with this palette. I'm gonna pack my brush and put it all over the lid. Just gonna put a little bit of shimmer in my eyelid, and I'm gonna use the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color in Copper Foil from Nude Stick. Now we're gonna do the same thing with the other eye. Now for lashes, I'm gonna use the Ardell Wispies. It's so affordable to buy the whole pack of 5 lashes. It's actually just 9 something cents, so it's actually pretty good. Okay, lashes are done. So now we are gonna move to the lips. I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Liquid Lipstick. So now you can leave it like this, just with a liquid lipstick, or you can top it with a gloss. I'm that kind of girl, so I'm gonna use Over the Top gloss. It's from Dose of Color. To finish this look, we are just gonna spray some Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Actually obsessed how it came out. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like this video, if you like how this makeup look turned out, just please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content, if you like my channel and my looks, please make sure to subscribe. Bye guys.